Installation of 2,500 metric tons press machine consisting of foundation base, sliding assembly, floating table, main cylinder, top crown, and piping connections. The project consisted of mechanical press installation in challenging conditions of running plant and congested space with low shed height for erection and installation activity. The new press was to be installed in between two running press machines, after removal of the shed supporting beam and the roof structure, to allow lift jack system to be installed and fitted for the erection activity of the press machine. There were multiple areas of expertise required to complete the various stages of the installation process, for which Procam deployed the 4-point lift jack system, which specializes in complex erection and lifting activities in confined spaces. Procam deployed experienced engineers, workers, and supporting staff, with high emphasis on safety norms and compliances. The most challenging part of the complete process was to skid the 33 metric tons, 2.7 meters, high crown piece from outside the plant through gate of only 5 meters height, on rollers, because use of high-capacity cranes was not possible, due to space constraints even at entry and exit points of the plant. Also, positioning of the 2.7 meters high, 33 metric tons crown piece at a height 5.5 meters, was a challenging task to be done efficiently and with accuracy. This required lifting the crown piece at a height of around 8.2 meters by the 4-point lift jack system and then skidding it to the main position through horizontal movement. Procam ensured optimum operational efficiency to complete the installation job even before the stipulated time frame. Procam ensured all statutory compliances in line with the standard norms to complete the task with utmost safety and mitigating all risks and hurdles on time, successfully. We are Procam, committed to deliver with innovation. Come and experience the change, together.